Hey y'all, my name is Christine Renner. I'm a music teacher, songwriter, and creator in Austin, Texas, and I am doing what I call music theory for dreamers. This is lesson number 2. So in lesson 1, we talked about how there are 12 notes in music, but there are only 7 letters that we use to identify these notes. So A through G of the alphabet. So for lesson 2, I wanted to talk about intervals. So there are 12 different intervals because there are 12 different notes. And now what is an interval? An interval is the distance between 2 notes. So the first 2 we are going to learn and that are the most important, we call a half step and a whole step. Let's see those on the piano. So if we were starting on the note C, and we wanted to go a half step up, we would go up here. This note is called C sharp, or we can call it D flat. And it sounds like this. Real squishy. We call this a half step or a minor second. Then our next interval is if we went from C, went up 1, 2 half steps to get to the note D, we get a whole step. And that's what it sounds like. It's still kind of squishy, but not quite as much as our other one. This one is also called a major second. So whole step or major second. I didn't want to leave out my guitar players on here, so let me explain this on the guitar. So I'm going to start on this note here. This is C. It's on the 8th fret of the E string, the very top string. So we have one note. If I wanted to go up 1 half step or a minor second, I would go up 1 fret. If I wanted to do a whole step or a major second, I would go up 2 frets. And you can even hear how that sounds. There you go. So today we specifically learned about the half step, minor second, and the whole step, major second. But there is a name and an interval from all 12 notes till you get, say if I start on C, this one is C at the top. There's an interval name for each of those and they all sound a certain way and feel a certain way and are used a certain way.